All right, so we're gonna get right into this,
All right.
and what we'd like to do is start off with your name, your title, where you work, and then we'll get into the questions.
Sure. Jerome DeMarco Machine. I'm the CEO.
Let's talk about how long you've been in the industry. Kind of when did you get started?
Yeah.
Go for it.
All right. When I got out of high school, I joined the military, got out of there, and started in the machine tooling business in 1988. So I've been doing it ever since. The company I previously worked for, they sold out a couple times, and I'd been running it, and they brought in their own people, and I'm like, well, I'll just go out and do it myself. Opened up this company in 2016, DeMarco Machine.
My name is Jesse Gonzalez. I work for DeMarco Machine, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer of this operation. Right out of high school, I started mowing yards till I found my way to this machine shop. So I've been doing this for 40 years now, since 1986. When I started, I was driver, cleaning the shop, cleaning the restrooms, ran a machine, started running every new machine that we had. In 1992, became a supervisor. Then Jerome started this in 2016 and brought me on board. So I've been here ever since. We do machines, we've engineered them. We're running about 65 to 70 people. As far as the executive team, the people who manage this place, first of all, we're more like family, more like brothers. I've known Jerome 39 years, and Donnie, the manager in the shop, 35 years. So we really get along. Our families know each other. On many occasions, we'll go out on the weekends and share time. We'll partake of meals together.
My name is Donnie Olmedo. My position is a shop manager at DeMarco Machine. In 1989, I started as a home operator. I was training by Jerome for 2 weeks, and I started my way up. I went to shop supervisor, and then I moved up into the shop manager, and that's the way it got started. It feels like a family. We spend a lot of hours together. We hang out together on the weekends when there is an opportunity. So it's a friendly place to work. The way we start a project, everything starts on sales.
Customer will send us a drawing or an inquiry where they're starting out with a certain size material, whether that be bar or tube, and let us know what they want us to machine it to. We receive the purchase order, we receive the material.
Get together with my team, the operators, the supervisors, make sure that we all be on the same page.
We take sizes, then we match them in the office to make sure that they match the POs.
We make sure all the numbers match up, the customer numbers with our numbers, all the measurements. Make sure it's a good material that's gonna make a finished part.
From there, we actually go to the straightening press. Everything we do, we have to straighten to make sure that we get the quality that we need.
And then go all different processes, like it could be bore, it could be drill, bore, hone, turn, and everything is inspected in between by the operators. And then at the end of the job, it gets inspected by the quality control.
Making sure we didn't lose traceability, everything's within print tolerance or PO tolerance. The customer gets notified with a COC, letting them know that the order is ready, and it's very seamless. As far as quality and a good product getting to the customer, it goes through different inspections, and if there's anything wrong with the part, we catch it internally and fix it. So it never gets to the customer in a out of tolerance condition.
Biggest challenges we have is trying to keep wall. It's concentricity, ID to OD concentricity. But over the years, we've processed and we've developed a form of machining these parts that is proprietary to DeMarco Machine, that we can hold the wall within 3,000 or 4,000 straight over 40 feet. It's been really successful for us. Our quality is exceptional. We don't scrap hardly anything. It's less than 1% a year of the overall product that we put on the ground. Some of the more complex parts are the ones that have the ID with different sizes. Sometimes they require a hone relief or special ID sizes from the original size of the part. That's the biggest challenge we have, but we've also managed to overcome and dominate that. We've dominated because we got people like Isaí Contreras, that's an engineer. His skill and his knowledge with these machines, that he makes them do whatever he asks them to do. We've become very successful through that process.
The guys here are great. That's what they do, and they're very good at it.
In order to be successful with a project, it requires a good team and a good training program, and that's what we have here. We've been working with a good group of people that we've been together for years and years and years, and we made sure that we train the new guys. They gotta be just like the old guys. It's not about just the manager, it's teamwork.
Typically what we do with new hires is we'll put them with our best operators, kind of go through baby steps before we just let them loose on a high tolerance or a thin wall part. We'll put them on easier jobs until they can build up the skills necessary to do the harder parts.
I think the biggest thing that sets this company apart is the people that work here. We have quality guys. We've been here together many, many years, and we're like family around here. We help each other, we advise each other, we manage to get all this done together and put the product on the ground in a timely and correct manner.
We start with basically 2 employees, and in 2 years period, we went to probably 30 employees. In 4 years period, we went to 70.
Now, what do you attribute that growth to?
I guess reinvesting in buildings, machinery, having the best machinists that do what they do in this industry. As long as you keep doing that, you'll keep growing. As long as the work's out there to do it.
And we do a really good job at what we do. We love what we do. We're dedicated.
I'm going to tell you that 99.9% of our customers love us. We also treat our customers like friends and family. Most of them trust our word, and the DeMarco name is trusted throughout the industry.
What gets my attention the most, or what I care about the most, is our customers being happy with not just the service that we do, but with our attitude towards them. And on-time delivery is a really big thing. Keeping our prices competitive, being able to help a customer out if they need a job faster than the current lead times. We're here to help.
Over the years, we've gone from strictly oil and gas to hydraulic. We do Air Force. We do bombs for the federal military now. We do air and space. We do some stuff for SpaceX. We've done stuff for NASA. And we currently are running 300 customers throughout the United States, and a few of them overseas.
How has the technology evolved since you started the business?
Actually, the technology has not changed at all. Machinery has changed. Some of them have become computerized, but most of the machinery for the tubular products has not changed at all. It still requires manual labor, people pushing buttons, and the experience that we have around here. Most of our guys have been with us between 15 and 20, 25 years. A couple of them have been here 30 years.
We're always looking to find better tooling to manufacture the parts, better machinery. We want to stay on the cutting edge.
We keep up with the technology. When there is an opportunity to learn new things, we want to do it.
As us older guys, we're going to be phasing out. Our biggest challenge is training new help so they can take care of our jobs when we're gone. Because our dream in the next 5 years is that this company run and operate in the same manner that it always has.
What would you say is the most rewarding aspect of operating things? Where do you get the most joy out of?
It's a friendly place to work with. And not only that, we have people that we know for years and years. So it's really not stressful. And it feels like a family. We spend a lot of hours together. The owner of the company always say that we are family. We hang out together on the weekends when there is an opportunity. I worked different places before, and this is the best job I ever had.
This is not really a job for me. I come here because I want to. It's been like that for many years. So I don't work every day. I come and I share time with my colleagues, and we get a job done in the process.
How positive do you feel about the future with the next generation of leaders in your company?
I feel very good. I'm even more positive for the future. My daughter, my son works here. Hopefully they'll be able to keep it going. I have 100% confidence that they will. Nothing's going to change, hopefully only improve.
Let me just ask you this way. What inspired you to start the business? You can say when you started it, but what inspired you to start the business?
The company I previously worked for, they sold out a couple times, and I'd been running it, and they brought in their own people, and I'm like, well, I'll just go out and do it myself. So that was the inspiration behind DeMarco Machine.
And do you feel like you made a good decision?
Yes.
And if so, why?
Yeah, and it's been one of the best decisions I've made in my life.